You losers will vote for me no matter what I say because you find me attractive. I've seen the art. There's something wrong with you guys.
You're a moron.
Ah, where the heck did you come from?
I've been here this whole time. What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Just give me a moment here.
Are you going to be sick because I scared you?
No, you're just ugly.
Boo. And there he goes.